Now let's learn a procedure of sputum examination, which is AFB staining or Ziehl-Neelsen staining. Take a glass slide and clean it with a gauze piece. Prepare a thin smear from the sputum and fix it at 80 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. After that, put an absorbent paper on a smear and saturate it with a carbol 15. After that, heat under slide until the steam appears for approximately 5 minutes. After that, wash with tap water. After washing, add a decolorizing solvent. Again wash with tap water and add methylene blue counter stain for 20 to 30 seconds. Wash with tap water and let it dry and observe under the oil immersion lens. This is the reporting criteria by WHO for AFB slide after the ZN staining.